Hey everyone, welcome back. Side with Pinnacle Trading here. Today I'm going to show you why I'm buying Tesla stock. First, cue the intro. Please be advised of the disclaimers. We've seen this stock close around 180 area on Friday, and this has been jumping between 170 to 200 level back and forth, as you can see in this highlighted section right now. It's just been jumping 170 to 200, and if we zoom out right here, this has been 300s and 400s, and we take a look all the way in the 3-year chart. This has been all the way over 400, 414.5 at the highest. This has gone through many splits, many payouts and earnings and things like that. And let's jump into the specific key areas that we want to look to buy at and even sell at, and also where we want to add at, and even areas that we want to stay away from. So let's zoom in a little bit on this, and we can see that clearly support is at the 170 mark. Anytime it goes to that area, it's been jumping up over. And why specifically is that? It's because the Fibonacci support is right over there. This script is free in my chat room to grab, and it gives you all the insight on the key price support resistance levels. And as you can see, the 170 area is the main key level that's been jumping off of. And that's actually where I alerted in my chat room on Friday last week that 170 was my entry area, and that's where I got in, and it's already up about $9 per share. So join the chat room, link in the description below, completely free to join so that you can stay up to date on my latest trade ideas and trade setups. And we can see that 170 is a support. Next we have resistance all the way to 200, because that's a whole dollar number. So 200, 250, 300, things like that are very psychological numbers in the market. And we have resistance at 220, and we have 240 and 250 and 265. The main area I want to look for this to break over is going to be that 200, because it tested the 170 once, twice, and then 3 times over here. So we want to get the upward bullish momentum to break over 200 and skyrocket over it and take out the 220 for continuation. And that's where I'll be exiting my short-term trade. On my long-term trade, I'll actually be looking to add more, because I want to add on the way up. When something is confirming on the way up, that's where I want to be adding, because it's showing continuous strength and bullish momentum. So let's look at what we have on this one. How much percent of profit can we make? If we bought at the 170 level and this goes to that 200, as you can see that it's the third one on the screen, you can see it's about 17% ROI. That's pretty good. If this goes to about 250, 300, let's say 300, we have about 77% ROI. And if this goes to all-time highs within a year or two, we can easily make about 142% ROI. And I think that's a great return on investment, because not only is it over 100% ROI when it goes to all-time highs, this can keep going past forward and keep going for infinite ROI as the company grows. So let's jump into the company specifics and the details itself. So recently they finally delivered some semi-trucks, and they were delivered to PepsiCo. So not only did they do that, they also have a lot of trading going on recently, and this is what I look forward to. The PE is about 55, which is pretty decent on that one, and have an income about 11.2 billion. And the only thing that I'm a little worried about is that just because of the Twitter deal that went through recently with Elon Musk, he sold about 4 billion shares right before that the big drop happened, and before the Twitter, because he wanted to get some money for the Twitter acquisition. That's why he sold a lot of these shares. Again, it could be for many reasons. And also we also see some selling going on over here for the recent shares, about 4,000 shares, 10,000 shares. And these are all insider trading. You can find these on secform.com, as I'm showing you. But the big thing that I like is that the Tesla semi-trucks have released, and they're also sending them out. And that's very good, because this is big important for the market. For when we go for the green energy, Tesla really focuses on that, not just with their Cybertrucks, their Model S, everyday cars, but also for the big businesses as well. So I see this as a solid purchase for the long term. I'm going to be short term trading this as well. I day trade this as well, so I know the key price points off my hand. So 170 I see as a solid entry. If it does pull back, possibly about 160 to 150, but I see more to the upside than the downsides, which is very important. As I showed you, has more than 100% ROI chance of profit. And I'm not a stock advisor or broker in any way, not advising. This is just my analysis and things that I'm seeing from my perspective. So if you like this video and want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button and join the chat room completely free, link in the description below, and I'll see you in my next video.